Okay, 32 teams enter for a knockout competition in which each match results in one team winning and one other team losing. After each match, the winning team goes on to the next round and the losing team takes no further part in the competition. Thus, 16 teams play in the second round, 8 teams play in the third round, and so on until 2 teams play in the final round. Okay, number one, how many teams play in only one match? Okay, one match. Okay, you have 32 teams. Okay, out of 32 teams, if I divide them into 16, meaning 2 teams in each match. Okay, 2 teams in each match. So in the first round, you will have 16 teams played, okay, which is 16 teams, meaning they play among each other. So you have 16 teams. So out of that, okay, one bunch of them will be gone, meaning 8 of them will be gone. So therefore the answer for the first one will be 16. Okay, 16 teams played one match only. And part 2, now 16 teams played, 8 move on to the second match. Okay, so how many teams played exactly 2 matches? Okay, exactly 2 matches. So from there you have another 8 more proceeding, okay, forward to the next round. So therefore 8 qualified to the third round. So 8 teams played exactly 2 matches. Okay, next, part 3. For part 3, draw up a frequency table for the number of matches which the team played. Okay, so to do this, number of matches played over frequency. Okay, number of matches played over frequency. Okay, one match played, we have 16 teams. 2 matches, we have 8. 3 matches, we have 4. 4 matches, we have 2. Okay, 4 matches, so that's already quarterfinal. And 5 matches, you have 2, because the last team that plays, okay, there'll be only 2 teams, okay, left. Okay, so they would have played quarterfinal, semi-final and final. So therefore that'll be your frequency table. Okay, next, calculate the mean and variance of the number of matches which the team play. Okay, which the team plays. So okay, mean, formula for mean, mu equals to the summation of f multiplied by x divided by the total frequency, which is n. Okay, so in this case we have summation of frequency, which is f times by, so 16 times 1 plus 8 times 2 plus 4 times by 3 plus 2 times by 4 plus 2 times by 5, and then divide this by 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2, which is, that's 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 16, which is 32. So that's 16 plus 16 plus 12 plus 8 plus 10, and the answer is 62. So 62 divided by 32, and your answer is 1.9375, or rather 1.9423 SF. Now to find variance, and the formula is summation f times by x square over n minus mu square, or the summation of f times x over n square. So this should be the summation of f, which is 16 times 1 square. Okay, so plus, okay, we don't have to write summation at this point because we know we're going to add that. So it's 16 times 1 square plus 8 times 2 square plus 4 times 3 square plus 2 times by 4 square plus 2 times by 5 square. Divide that by n, which is 32, and then minus, we already have 62 over 32, okay, which is the expected value. So, and you square that. Okay, so what I have here, so 16 plus 32 plus 36 plus 32 plus 15, and the answer is 166 over 32 minus 62 over 32 square, and the answer is 1.4335 or 1.4323 SF.